Hello all, my name is Krishna and welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all, a happy Sunday guys. I hope you are enjoying, and today in this particular video we are going to discuss about the audience of my YouTube channel. This particular video, why I want to discuss, because YouTube has a wonderful analytics system, where we can see most of the information regarding that, what are the type of audience in my YouTube channel, from which geography do they belong, what is the age range they actually belong, with respect to gender and other information. So that I'm just going to discuss over here. And apart from that, I'll also be discussing, like, from the past 3 to 4 months, how many people, when I just talk about subscription, when people subscribe my channel. And again, this information will be pretty much amazing, so make sure that you watch this video till the end. So first, to go with regarding the geography, where do I get a lot of views, from what all countries, that I'm going to discuss. So the first country that I get a lot of views from all the viewers, so this is basically all the love from you all, is basically India. Okay, so I get a lot of views from India itself. Second country, obviously I think you should know, it is United States. Okay, so second country where I get the maximum views is United States. The third and the fourth country are our neighboring countries, that is Pakistan and Bangladesh. So I'm very happy that this channel is actually helpful for them. And then the fifth country is United Kingdom, and sixth country is Canada. So these are the top 6 countries where I get most of my views. So if I combine this whole countries, I get more than somewhere around 80% of the views in my channel, and the average duration is somewhere around 4 minutes and 18 seconds with respect to each and every video. Okay, so this much time they actually watch the videos, like if I just consider one video at such. And again, the second thing is that, what about the age, what is the range of age, and how much percentage of the people basically see this particular age. And this is wonderful because, guys, understand, YouTube has a wonderful analytics system, as I said. So they have they have a bucket between 13 to 17 years of people. They have 18 to 24 years of people, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and 45 to 54. Apart from that, you also have 55 to 64 and 65 plus. The most interesting thing is that, if I talk about the people between 18 to 24, just entering data science domain, they are actually like my channel, because they are somewhere around, the viewers, right, with respect to age, are somewhere around 39.5%, so for my total viewers. When I consider between the bucket between 25 to 34, they are somewhere around 43.3%, so they belong to this particular group, that is the age between 25 to 34 years. So yes, I think if I combine this two, it is more than 80%, so which is pretty much amazing. I think my channel is targeting the right viewers, and I'm happy for that, And if I talk about 35 to 44, they are somewhere around 12.3% of the total population who are seeing my videos with respect to my subscribers, non-subscribers, and all. So again, pretty much amazing. Now, if we try to see the analytics with respect to gender, if I consider 100%, combining for both male and female, 83.8% of the male population actually see my channel, and remaining 16.2 actually are female. So again, definitely thank you for this particular love, guys. One interesting thing that I've actually seen in my channel, from last 1 month, I have gained somewhere around 18,000 subscribers. Okay, and you can see that one pretty important thing is that, when you see the subscribers and the non-subscribers, so basically the person who has actually subscribed my channel, from the past 1 month, suppose there are 2,000 unique user. Okay, and with respect to the 2,000 unique user, if I see from the analytics, only 50% has actually subscribed. The non-subscribers, they did not subscribe it. I don't know, for some reasons, or I'm not sure, like what may be the reasons. They have probably not subscribed. So you can see this particular analytics saying that, yes, more than 50% has actually subscribed your channel, and they are around 49% who have not subscribed your channel. So I'd request you guys, people who have not subscribed, please do subscribe it, because understand, these videos will be definitely helpful for everyone, because when you subscribe, when you share with this to someone, it may be beneficial for them. And again, our intention is to provide the right kind of education, right kind of experience that I am facing to all the community, right? So it is pretty much important. And one more interesting thing that I have seen is that the people who are not subscribed, right, I get most of the views from them, you know. So here it is. There is a wonderful statement over here. You are particularly good at reaching people who are not subscribed to your channel. Your videos received 89% more views from non-subscribers. Just imagine. They are actually watching my videos, but they are not subscribing it. So please make sure that you subscribe it, and definitely it will be helpful with respect to this particular stuff. And YouTube is also happy that I'm able to upload more than 40 videos every month. More than 40 videos every month. So because of that, it is saying that you have gained more subscriptions because of that. Subscription, basically people who have actually subscribed my channel. Now this was mostly about the analytics, but again, this is not the this is just about the analytics that I wanted to display who is actually my audience. But there are some more points that I want to discuss now, and trust me, now yesterday guys, I had actually uploaded the NLP playlist, because understand, some days back I had done some mistakes in some of my videos, which was notified to me by some of my subscribers, and they were absolutely right, and those were minor mistakes. Okay, minor mistakes. So I had to make it private and make sure that re-upload those videos. So yesterday what I did is that I created some more additional videos regarding the theoretical understanding of lemmatization, stemming, bag of words, TF-IDF, and then I had uploaded it once, and I have made all the playlist live. If you have not seen the playlist, the link will be given in the description, you can check. But what I understood from this, and probably I had actually made it private for 2 to 3 weeks. I was not able to get time to make the videos or re-upload it. Because of that, many people had actually pinged what happened about the NLP playlist. Did you make it private? Why did you make it private? And I started explaining them. Guys, just give me some time. I don't have time to re-upload the videos. I have to remake it. But there were some people who had actually spoken in a very rude way. They started saying that, Krish, you probably may be earning more money. Why you have made it private? You should not do like this. You're misleading your people. You're misleading the subscribers. Now this is the thing that hurt me a lot. There were some people, I don't know, it is out of frustration, it is out of the lockdown issue that is going on right now. I'm not sure about it. But understand guys, by just making 5 videos private, how can I earn money? Just think in this particular way. I'm not an entertainer. My YouTube channel does not get millions of views daily. It hardly gets 15,000 to 20,000 views daily. That is the average of my viewers, how many views I get in my channel. So this way, when you speak to someone, when you tell someone in this particular way, it really hurts. Okay, and this is true guys, because I've seen many people, they suppose I'll give you one very good example. In some of my videos, I made a small minor mistake. Okay, when I make a small minor mistake, so people, there are many supportive people also. So many people support that. They say that, Krish, this was a minor mistake. And I say that, yes, I agree with that. People makes mistake. Let it be my videos. Then I consider that by putting a comment, yes, that is a mistake. Apologies for that. But there are some people who think that they know all the things, and they basically say that, Krish, stop misleading people. When you don't know anything, don't upload videos. You are misleading people. This is the most worst statement I've seen in my life. This is the misleading people. What does misleading people mean? Am I preaching something over here with respect to my channel, with respect to my YouTube videos? For those people guys, please go and have a look in my LinkedIn post. These videos have helped many people to get jobs, and I'm pretty much happy about that. Okay, I'm not misleading people. Small mistakes may happen in some of the videos. Okay, you just provide a constructive feedback. I'm happy for that. And recently I uploaded a video where we are providing free Python classes, free Tableau Power BI classes for the community. There also I've got around 20 dislikes. So I don't understand why people dislike the video. If you are disliking the video, provide a constructive feedback. That is what I want. And this is not in case of my channel, guys. This is in case of all the YouTube channels with respect to education. This is for all the YouTubers who are bringing change in the education system. Just try to understand, in India, to change the education system, when we are in engineering, we don't learn the real world practical experience. We are trying to bring it that through this particular YouTube channel. We are bringing a kind of change. So please provide a constructive feedback. I'm very, very happy with the constructive feedback and in my channel, I've got a lot of constructive feedback and I've improved myself because it is also a learning for me. But if you feel, I don't know, out of frustration, you are doing this, you are actually demotivating me or any YouTuber to upload videos without providing any constructive feedback. Dislikes is one of the things, guys. I don't understand why people dislike the video. If you're disliking the video, I'm happy you provide a constructive feedback in the comment. See, this is all for the data science community. Just imagine if YouTubers stop uploading education videos. And again, I'm telling you guys, the people who teach in YouTube, they don't earn money a lot. With respect to the expenditure that they do, they don't earn money a lot. I'm telling you again, we are not entertainers. We don't get millions of views in my channel, in our channel. Okay. So please utilize this opportunity, share with all your friends, and please request all the non-subscribers to subscribe the channel. Guys, it's okay. Just provide a constructive feedback. We will become better. See, when I started 2 years back uploading videos, I was not that much matured in creating content. So I used to make mistakes. But now I'm improving daily. And this happens with respect to every YouTubers. They just start initially with uploading videos where they make mistakes. But I have seen so many subscribers who have helped me, by providing a constructive feedback. Krish, you made a mistake here. Can you fix it? Yes, definitely. And don't run out of patience, guys. I've seen, because of this NLP playlist, right? Many people scolded me like anything. I don't know. They're thinking that just making 5 videos private, how can I actually earn money? This was the most wrong state. But it's okay. It's life. It is out of frustration. It is out of office work. It may be something out of something, right? But it's okay. I'm fine with that. But just whenever you're disliking, whenever you're actually demotivating, I mean that whenever you are disliking a video, just provide a constructive feedback, guys. Why did you dislike that particular video? Krish, you could have done this better. That would be very happy. I would been very happy with that particular comment, because yes, I can then judge, okay, I made this particular mistake. Now I can learn from this. So I'll not continue this in my next video. So support, guys, because now YouTubers, with respect to education, we are trying to change the education system, guys. We are trying to bring this knowledge to the whole mass and community. You can see my subscribers, right? The age group. It is targeting the right kind of age group. People who want to learn more. Okay. So this is what, don't get frustrated in smaller things. It may be your office work, it may be your personal life, it may be your lockdown situation. Don't get frustrated. It's okay. It happens. This is a bad phase which will pass off, right? So yes, probably I went too much in depth, but it's okay. I'll make sure that one day you like my video. I'll make sure that the people who are not subscribed will subscribe one day. So yes, this was all about this particular video. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one and all. Bye bye.